Hey there, it's Josh with Commonwealth Curb Appeal, doing a little spring cleanup on my patio here. Wanted to show y'all spray and forget. You can use it on patios, brick, wood, fences, things like that for cleaning. I use it on my patio about 2 to 3 times a year. It keeps it looking pretty good. It's April the 20th right now, and I haven't cleaned my patio since the fall, or actually the summer. Anyways, what you do is first step is to wash down the patio and soak any plants that are around the patio with water. This product, if it gets directly on plants and you don't rinse it off, it could kill your plants, so be careful. And I'm also going to use just a spray nozzle on my hose and clean off these dirty spaces under the caps. And then once you wet everything down, you're gonna mix the product. You want to put the water in the sprayer first, then pour the product in the sprayer. It's 9 parts water to 1 part product, so it's about 12 to 14 ounces that you're gonna put in each gallon. I've got a 3-gallon sprayer here, so I put the 3 gallons in, and then I put 3 of those cups in. And then once you spray the product on, after you're done, you want to go back around and just spray down, your yard that may have gotten hit, or any plants. Again, with just the water hose. Just make sure that the product doesn't stay on the leaves. All right, so just gonna spray down the patio. Doesn't have to soak it, but if there's spots with dirt, like here on the steps, you'll want to kind of just knock some of that stuff off. It'll help it work a little faster. So anyways, you can see I've sprayed down the patio. Just wanted to show y'all quickly how this looks when you spray it. So you can see it bubbling up there. That means, for a couple of seconds when you start, when there's water on the line, you won't see that. So just make sure it's bubbling. And I'm gonna get the wall. I'll see how it looks. And if your patio looks really bad, has a lot of grass, has a lot of moss, and it's like black, you may want to contact a professional that can clean out the joints, put new sand in, get it cleaned up and back into shape. But if you do this like me 2-3 times a year, you won't have any problems. So it's been about 4 hours or so since I sprayed the patio down, and you can see it's already starting to work and kill the moss. It's gonna take it, like I said, 2 to 3 weeks or so before it really starts cleaning up some of the stains. But it will look nice. So I wanted to show a little update. It's been about 24 hours since the application, and you can see how it's pretty much eaten away at some of the grime on the pavers, wilting some of the weeds and killing the moss in the joints. So it's actually June 20th. It's been exactly 2 months since the cleaning videos were put together. I haven't blown this patio off in a little over a week, but so other than leaves and stuff, as you can see, this patio looks really good. Staining's gone, moss and weeds are gone, and this is 2 months later, so the product works really well. I'm sure there's a little areas of moss greening back up, and like I said, I like to apply it 2 or 3 times a year. That way, it just keeps looking new all year round, except for the spring when all that pollen lands on it and stains it. If you haven't already liked this video and subscribed to our YouTube channel, we'd love it if you did so. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Take care.